Introducing the 2022 Seat Arona PA 1.0 TRI 110 horsepower SE Plus 5 door in stunning green. With a 1-litre engine, manual transmission, and loaded with features like Bluetooth, cruise control, and satellite navigation, this hatchback is perfect for any journey. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Stylish details like roof rails and privacy glass give this car a sleek look. Rest easy knowing this vehicle has had a full health check, serviced to manufacturer standards, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. For more information on this fantastic car, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today.